Question B says that we should state 6 of the measures put in place by the federal government of Nigeria to enhance public accountability. Measures put in place by the federal government to enhance public accountability. Measures put in place. Measures put in place by federal government to enhance public accountability. Public accountability. Like we have explained earlier during this lecture, one of the measures they put in place is the Fiscal Responsibility Act. Fiscal Responsibility Act of 2007. We have Nigeria Code of Conduct Bureau. Nigeria Code of Conduct Bureau. We have the Public Procurement Act of 27. We have the Freedom of Information Act. Freedom of Information Act 2011. We have the Economic and Financial Crime Commission. We have Independent Corrupt Practices and other related offenses commission, ICPC. We have the Public Account. We have Public Account Committee. We have Public Account Committee. We have the Office of the Auditor General for the Federation. Office of the Auditor General for the Federation. And the Office of Auditor General for the state. Auditor General in the state and local government. We have the Nigeria Nigerian extractive industries, Transparency Initiative, Transparency Initiative Act of 2007, and so on and so forth as mentioned in the lecture.